Let a local expert do your taxes from start to finish with TurboTax Full Service. Get started by answering a few questions, and we'll create a personalized checklist to make things easy. Minimize surprise costs. We'll give you a custom price estimate before an expert starts working. Upload your tax documents or snap a pic. You can even jump on a welcome call if you need extra support. Then, we'll match you to a local expert who can handle your tax situation. Connect with your expert in real time, even on nights and weekends during tax season, while they work to maximize your return. Or get back to life and track your expert's progress on the go. Once they're done, they'll review your return with you and answer any questions, only citing and filing once it's 100% accurate, backed by our full service guarantee. Plus, each return comes with a lifetime guarantee. Get answers year-round with unlimited expert support at no additional cost. And if you like your expert, work with them again year after year. Take taxes off your plate from start to finish. TurboTax, full service.